Researchers at the UC Davis Institute for Psychedelics and Neurotherapeutics have developed a new drug closely related to LSD that demonstrates the therapeutic benefits of a psychedelic without any hallucinogenic effects. The substance, developed for therapeutic purposes, has already completed the first phase of clinical trials, where researchers say it produced fast and long-lasting benefits in patients with major depressive disorder. And for those struggling with neurodegenerative conditions like that,
neurons communicate with each other through synapses, and these synapses break. They physically break. What psychedelics do is they promote the repair of those damaged neural circuits, just like a cast would help to repair the damage of a broken leg. And once you repair that damage, you can produce sustained therapeutic effects that last long after the drug has been cleared from the body.
David Olson is the director of the institute.
When an architect wants to add new function, add a door, add a roof, they can, build those components. We can essentially do the same thing with molecules. We can build parts of that molecule to enhance its therapeutic properties, to limit its side effects.
This could be a huge breakthrough for 1 billion people who will struggle with neuropsychiatric disorders at some point in their lives. John Gray, associate director of the institute, tells us only 1/3 of patients respond to their first antidepressant, which could be especially frustrating for people with PTSD.
With PTSD, there's a traumatic event or a series of traumatic events, and as a defense mechanism, the brain evolutionarily wants to remember everything that happened to avoid that situation in the future. We think psychedelics make that easier for the brain to kind of rewire those overactive circuits.
According to the NIH, suicide was the second leading cause of death for those between the ages of 10 and 34. And in 2023, there were 2 times as many suicides as there were homicides. Researchers say this drug improves cognitive flexibility, whereas with traditional medication,
they have to try multiple different medications. They're slow acting. You have to wait a number of weeks before you might see an effect.
Reporting in Davis, covering local news that matters. Juliette Smith, Fox 40 News.